same page. Oh, it's a ball.
Oh, b-ball, huh? That's pretty good. But my mom, defense, watch out for the defense, sneaky, wah, wah. Hey, oh, come on. Oh,
She hit that really hard.
it's my bad.
Eczema is
What? What's that mean?
What's yours at again?
My address?
Press.
7. What, did you say 740? Oh, nice. Good for you. That's amazing.
She was with me open and tell my mom it was perfect.
Something
Perfect
different
hair.
than 740.
He has a power over me. It's like he's
Choosing for that
That's
to be a
me.
better
I
thing.
think it's his hair. He has this like really beautiful hair, and whenever I see it, I get filled.
Oh my god, I hate my life.
Guys, just look.
Yes, I know. Closure. Ouch. Right.
I don't know at all what you're saying right now.
Okay, Jess,
Holy
think
shit, it's not that complicated. Just get the TV
I
back.
need a TV.
It's important. It's a television. It's what brings all of these guests to TV.
Okay, it's not a big deal. I'll call Spencer and I talk to him and I will talk to him. So, okay.
Hi, Jess.
No, he was really not.
This place. How's the yoga thing, Smith? On the parfait? Parfait. Hello. You look beautiful today. Smart.
I'm talking to you, Schmidt.
So you're making all the calls now, Smith? Sure. This must mean that you are the top dog. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad you guys think that because I think that too. Hey, Smith, what kind of top dog are you? How in the big room? So glad we're talking. Last time I saw you, you were so mad.
How's
Michelle,
Michelle? Fancy name.
she's great.
Michelle. Mommy. Oh, I'm Michelle. I'm good.
Yeah, we have a lot in common. Obviously, we both love bikes.
I love bikes. Spencer, I need my stuff back. My TV, all my winter
Yeah,
clothes,
of course.
my pants.
I would have brought it today, but I rode my bike, you know, without the basket.
Well, when would be a good
It
time?
helps you spend less time managing your symptoms. Atlas can deliver real and lasting results, like skin that's still more clear at 1 year. Don't use if you're allergic to Atlas. Allergic reactions can occur that can be severe. Eye problems can occur. Tell your doctor if you have new or worsening eye problems. You should not receive a live vaccine when treated with Ebglyss. Before starting Ebglyss, tell your doctor if you have a parasitic infection. Clear skin, itch relief. Once monthly dosing with or without topicals. You can flare less with Ebglyss. Talk to your doctor about Ebglyss for eczema.
$5.50 for the TV? Seems a little steep. I'm gonna write down a figure, and this is as high as I'll go.
You do a smiley face
I'm a teacher. Good for the kids.
for the kids. 550s.
I don't know about this. I thought pawn shops were about helping people, and frankly, right now I feel it's kind of being a joke. And I just got out of a long relationship, and I don't know what I'm doing emotionally, or let's be honest, sexually. I'll just get out of here.
Are you trying to rob me?
Where's Winston at, man? Yeah, he's in his room. Everything on top down. Yes. You think I'm headballer, shot caller? Yeah, sure, I feel that. When you tell me choices that skull, so nectar. Did you just make up nectar? Natural volleyball term. What is Winston doing? You can't hang out in there. It's too small. What's up? Yo, what up, Cease? Yeah, you alright?
I'm sorry, I didn't get the TV.
What happened?
I mean, seriously, you guys told him to call Spencer? That is not your job. That is my job.
So what happened?
He needed a ride today.
What?
For his new girlfriend.
Are you kidding me? Serious?
I'm supposed to pick her up next time.
Oh my god!
What's wrong with me?
I figured it out. These guys are crippling. You need to stand up and you need to fight him.
I tried to fight him, but I can't. I'm powerless.
You know, right on there. I think you know deep down, once you get your stuff back, you know, it's over.
I can't believe I'm actually gonna say this, but I agree with you. No, you guys are wrong. I really want to be wrong.
You gotta fight.
Alright, I want to fight.
And get mad.
I want to get mad.
Alright, then do this. Pretend this is Spencer's face. Punch him. Yeah. Come on, do it again. Punch it like a man. Now, harder than that.
Come on, Liz.
Come on, just get her angry. Good.
Get angry. Feel angry.
That's punch dance. You broke your heart. He did terrible things to you. You hate him.
I'm mad.
Good.
There you go. I'm bad.
You ready to go get your stuff?
I'm gonna go get it right
Go
now.
get it. Calm down.
I'm mad.
Throw
I'm
it.
gonna go get it.
Get your stuff.
I'm gonna face the facts. I'm gonna ask you guys right now to come with me. Seriously, guys? Because I can't carry everything alone. I can't be alone.
Okay, you are ruining my pregame mix.
What am I gonna say?
Hey, Spencer, give me my TV back.
Hi, Spencer. Give me my TV back, buddy.
No buddy. I'm a jerk or idiot.
Mr. Krabs.
Grabs is an option.
Your hand is on my leg.
Your hand's on my leg.
No, it really isn't.
Classic he said, she said.
Okay, Jess, just put it right here.
Good job. Okay, you know what? Finish the interview with you. Chit chat, ask me anything. Chit chat, let's go. Let's go! Oh, wait, 4 minutes. Yeah, that's right now. Good. You need to breathe now. Okay, excuse me.